As Michael George once said, Lean Six Sigma is the combination of the best of Lean and the best of Six Sigma, where Lean is used to identify and eliminate waste, while Six Sigma is used to identify and eliminate variation. This powerful blend of methodologies is what we know today as Lean Six Sigma, a game changer in the world of business and quality management. Let's break it down a little. Lean is all about efficiency, stripping away the unnecessary and focusing on what truly adds value. Picture a sculptor chiseling away the excess stone to reveal the masterpiece within. That's Lean. On the other hand, Six Sigma is about precision and consistency, minimizing variation and error to maintain the highest possible standard of quality. It's like the watchmaker, meticulously adjusting each tiny gear to ensure the timepiece keeps perfect time, every time. Together, Lean and Six Sigma create a dynamic duo, working in harmony to both streamline processes and ensure supreme quality. It's a combination that has revolutionized industries across the globe, from manufacturing to healthcare, from finance to technology. But like any revolutionary concept, Lean Six Sigma is often misunderstood. Some believe it's simply a set of tools and techniques, a box to be checked in the pursuit of business excellence. Others see it as a rigid, inflexible system that stifles creativity and innovation. Let's set the record straight. Lean Six Sigma is not a one-size-fits-all checklist. It's a flexible and adaptable framework that can be tailored to fit any organization, any process, any challenge. And far from stifling creativity, it actually encourages innovation by providing a clear structure within which to experiment, learn, and improve. As for the notion that Lean Six Sigma is just about tools and techniques, well, that's like saying a symphony is just about notes and instruments. The true power of Lean Six Sigma lies not in the tools themselves, but in the way they're used, the strategy, the execution, the relentless pursuit of perfection. In conclusion, Lean Six Sigma is not just a methodology, it's a mindset that strives for perfection and eliminates waste. When we talk about Lean Six Sigma, it's impossible not to mention General Electric, a company that saved billions by implementing this methodology. Our story begins in the late 90s when then CEO Jack Welch took a decisive step. He decided to adopt the Lean Six Sigma methodology, a decision that would change the course of General Electric forever. The journey wasn't smooth sailing though. There were challenges, as there always are when change is on the horizon. Initial resistance from the workforce was a major stumbling block. After all, Lean Six Sigma was a new, untested strategy, and many employees were naturally skeptical. But General Electric didn't back down. They started a comprehensive training program, educating their employees about the benefits and mechanics of Lean Six Sigma. They turned the tide of resistance into a wave of acceptance. As the workforce embraced Lean Six Sigma, another challenge emerged: integrating the methodology into the existing processes. This wasn't just about introducing a new strategy, it was about changing the way General Electric operated at a fundamental level. But again, General Electric rose to the challenge. By carefully restructuring their processes around Lean Six Sigma principles, they ensured a seamless integration. Now let's talk about the results. Did General Electric's gamble pay off? The answer is a resounding yes. By the early 2000s, General Electric reported savings of over $1 billion, a figure that would continue to grow in the following years. Their productivity soared, their defect rates plummeted, and their customer satisfaction rates reached an all-time high. Lean Six Sigma had transformed General Electric, helping them become a global powerhouse. Their journey wasn't without its challenges, but it was these very challenges that shaped General Electric into the company it is today. They proved that with the right approach, the right training, and the right mindset, Lean Six Sigma can bring about revolutionary changes. General Electric's success with Lean Six Sigma is a testament to the power and effectiveness of this methodology. Now let's delve into the Green Belt certification, a significant step in the Lean Six Sigma journey. The Green Belt certification is a crucial part of the Lean Six Sigma structure. It signifies a comprehensive understanding of the Lean Six Sigma methodology and the ability to apply its principles in a practical setting. But who is it for? The certification is designed for professionals who are looking to enhance their problem-solving skills and lead small-scale projects within their organizations. It's for those who are ready to embrace the challenge of continuous improvement and are willing to take the initiative in identifying, analyzing, and solving quality problems. The Green Belt certification covers a broad range of topics. It starts with an introduction to Lean Six Sigma and the DMAIC process: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. This process is a systematic approach to problem solving and is the backbone of Lean Six Sigma. The certification also delves into the tools and techniques used in Lean Six Sigma. These include process mapping, cause and effect diagrams, and statistical analysis, among others. The goal is to equip greenbelts with the tools they need to effectively analyze and improve processes. Now, what does it mean to be a greenbelt? Greenbelts are more than just team members. They are problem solvers. They have a keen eye for identifying inefficiencies and are skilled in using data-driven approaches to address these issues. They are the bridge between yellow belts, who are typically team members, and black belts, who manage larger projects and mentor green belts. Greenbelts also play a critical role in promoting a culture of continuous improvement within their organizations. They lead by example, demonstrating the value of Lean Six Sigma principles in their work and encouraging others to do the same. To sum it up, the Green Belt certification is more than just a credential. It represents a commitment to excellence, a dedication to problem solving, and the drive to make continuous improvements. Being a green belt means being a problem solver, a change agent, and a leader in continuous improvement. Motorola, the birthplace of Six Sigma, is another classic example of successful Lean Six Sigma implementation. In the mid-80s, Motorola found itself grappling with quality issues and increasing competition. The company realized that traditional quality improvement methods weren't cutting it, and they needed a radical change. So, they developed Six Sigma, a data-driven methodology designed to eliminate defects and improve quality. Motorola's Six Sigma was revolutionary, but the company didn't stop there. They saw the potential in combining Six Sigma's rigorous focus on quality with Lean's emphasis on speed and efficiency. And thus, Lean Six Sigma was born, a powerful amalgamation of the best of both worlds. The results? Nothing short of transformative. Motorola reported savings of several $1 billion within the first few years of implementing Lean Six Sigma. The company dramatically reduced its manufacturing defects, leading to higher quality products and increased customer satisfaction. Motorola's success with Lean Six Sigma was so noteworthy that it spurred a global interest in the methodology. Companies across sectors began adopting it, hoping to replicate Motorola's remarkable success. But it wasn't just about numbers. Lean Six Sigma brought about a cultural shift within Motorola. It empowered employees at all levels to contribute to continuous improvement efforts, fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration. It became an integral part of Motorola's DNA, shaping its business practices and guiding its strategic decisions. Motorola's story serves as a testament to the power of Lean Six Sigma. A struggling company turned industry leader, all thanks to a commitment to quality and efficiency. It's a story of transformation, of how a company leveraged data and embraced change to drive unparalleled success. And it's not just Motorola. Companies worldwide, from diverse sectors, have harnessed the power of Lean Six Sigma to drive improvement and achieve remarkable results. From healthcare to manufacturing, from small businesses to multinational corporations, Lean Six Sigma has proven its worth time and time again. Motorola's story is proof that Lean Six Sigma can be transformative for any business, regardless of its size or sector. At its core, Lean Six Sigma is about change and improvement, both of which are deeply rooted in psychology. Now let's dive into this fascinating interplay. Firstly, we have to confront resistance to change. This is a common psychological phenomenon where people fear the unknown and prefer to stick with what they're comfortable with. However, Lean Six Sigma is all about challenging the status quo and seeking continuous improvement. So, how do we tackle this resistance? That's where the power of communication comes in. By clearly explaining the reasons behind the change and the benefits it will bring, you can help to reduce resistance and foster a culture of improvement. Next, we turn to motivation. In the world of Lean Six Sigma, motivation is the fuel that drives change. But remember, motivation isn't one size fits all. What motivates one person may not motivate another, so it's crucial to understand what drives your team members. This could be anything from personal growth, recognition, or the satisfaction of contributing to a larger goal. By tapping into these motivations, you can ignite the passion needed for Lean Six Sigma projects. Lastly, let's explore team dynamics. A successful Lean Six Sigma project is a team effort. Understanding the dynamics of your team, including strengths, weaknesses, and how individuals work together, is key. Psychology helps us to appreciate these dynamics and adapt our leadership style to suit the team. This leads to increased effectiveness and productivity. In conclusion, Lean Six Sigma isn't just about processes and data, it's also about people. Understanding the psychological aspects of Lean Six Sigma, such as resistance to change, motivation, and team dynamics, can greatly enhance the implementation of this methodology. Understanding the psychology behind Lean Six Sigma is key to unlocking its full potential and making sustainable changes.